In our previous video, we discussed about dev, QAS and PRD. Dev is where we build, QAS is where we test, and PRD is where actual business happens. This video is a continuation to that. If a consultant creates a change in dev, how does that change move to QAS and later to PRD system? That is where transport request comes in. Imagine a restaurant creates a new recipe inside the kitchen. The recipe is ready, but it cannot magically appear at the tasting table or at the customer table. Someone has to pack it properly, send it to the right place, and make sure the correct version reaches the correct place. In SAP, a transport request works like that package. When a consultant or developer makes a change in the development system, SAP records that change inside a transport request. For example, a functional consultant may change configuration, or an ABAP consultant may create a new program. All these changes are captured in a transport request. Once the work is completed, the request is released from development system. Then a basis team or a technical team imports it into the QAS system. In QAS, the team tests whether the change is working properly. If testing is successful and business approval is given, the same change can later be moved to the PRD system. This controlled movement is very important because in SAP we should not randomly change the production system. Every change should be tracked, like who made the change, what change was made, when was it released, where was it imported. A transport request helps maintain this control. So remember this simple idea. A transport request is like a delivery package for SAP. It carries changes from dev to QAS and then to PRD in a controlled way.